Hi.
How are you? Happy Ganesh.
Bye. Welcome.
What is that? That is for me. Thank you.
No. This is not for you. This is not bouquet. This is name. Come. Inside. Come inside. I will tell you. Yeah. Come.
Okay, Uncle, neve means?
Name means we are growing this rice, no? First rice we are giving to God Ganesh because we believe all these things given us by God Ganesh.
Oh.
So name has his right. त्याचा अधिकार.
Wow.
I will tell you some more.
Okay.
This is our Ganapati.
Namaskar. Uncle, what is this? Coconut.
Bye. This is not best of coconut. This is Lord Shiva.
Shiva.
Yeah, normally we are using for that eating purpose. No, that time it is nalla, coconut.
Okay.
But this time this is a Shrifor.
And what is this?
This is called Kecha Gabe.
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 Banana tree is there, no? Body of that tree. This is called Gabe.
Wow.
Our older Dantela, no, doing this as a parampara. That time no plastic. This is beautiful, no?
Yes, nice.
That's why we are keeping this as a makhar. Okay?
Oh, wow. Nice.
And
And Uncle, what is this?
this is called matoi. Kanglan, this is matan, this is shepte, this is shell, that is ghadavle, that is toshe, that is apple and peru. All vegetables we are tying that up as a matoi.
I can eat that now.
No. After Udar Puja you can eat.
Udar Puja.
We are saying bye to Ganapati, no? That is Udar Puja.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Uncle, I'm hungry. I want that kate.
Khatkate.
Oh, nobody.
Nevri.
And puri.
Amrish Puri.
I know, yay. Nice food. Uncle, what is this?
It is Khatkate.
Kate.
They're all foodies.
Okay, all 40s.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is this?
This is Puri.
And what about this?
Modak.
Ganpati likes
Yeah.
modak. I know. And
This is Nauri.
very yummy.
Bye. You enjoy our Khatkate and Nevri. I am doing puja, okay?
Okay, Uncle.
Yeah, enjoy.
Uncle, bye. Thank you very much.
What Guru need?
Happy Ganesh once again.
To guide me, happy Ganesh.